Hello everyone, my name is Nikadet Dwi Brianti. My last 3-digit student numbers are 009. Today I will practice is like a teacher in the future and explain a little bit materials of mathematics. I will explain about method to find the limit of a function algebraically. Let's start. Morning class. Are you ready to study with me? Okay, thanks. But before we start our class, let's pray together. As usual, I will lead to start for praying. We can start for praying. We can end for praying. Okay, thanks. And then I will send link to take your attendance in the column chat. Please wait a few minutes, okay? I have some link in the column chat, and make sure take your attendance today. When you take your attendance, I will explain about what will we learn today. Okay, we have learned about definition of limit theorems, and also to side limit. Today we will learn about a method to find the limit of a function algebraically. To find the value of limit in function algebraically, we use three methods. But before I continue the materials, I want to ask something to you. Have you studied about the method to find the limit of a function algebraically? Okay, don't worry. I will explain first, and then if you have a question, don't hesitate to tell me, and hands up your hand first, and also introduce yourself. Okay, let's start our class.
Have you seen my PowerPoint? Okay, thanks. This is the materials today, methods to find the limit of a function algebraically. The first method is find the limit by plugging in the x value or direct substitution. The first method for algebraically solving for a limit is to plug the number that x is approaching into the function. Okay, for example, limit of x squared plus 5x minus 8 as approaches 3. The first thing we should do is substitution, direct substitution, 3 into the function, into this function. Equals to 3 squared plus 5 multiply 3 minus 8 equals to 3 squared equals to 9 plus 5 multiply 3 is 15 minus 8 equals to 16. So, limit of x squared plus 5x minus 8 as approaches 3 is 16. Okay, next. The second method is find the limit by factoring. Factoring is the method to try when plugging in fails, especially when any part of the given function is a polynomial expression. So maybe you will ask something to me, but maybe you hesitate to tell me. When we use the second method, but we can use the first method in this question. We can see the point of this sentence fails. When the plugging in fails. Okay, I will compare to show you. I'll first use the first method and second method. First, I will use the first method to find the solution of this question. So when we will use direct substitution, we will get this directly substitution. So this function equals to 2 squared minus 5x, and also direct substitution. So directly multiply 2 plus 6 divided by 2 squared plus 2 multiplied 2 minus 8. Okay, equals to 2 squared equals to 4 minus 5 multiplied 2 equals to 10 plus 6 divided by 2 squared equals to 4 plus 2 multiplied 2 equals to 4 minus 8 equals to 0 divided by 0. So we get 0 divided by 0. So we should use a more mathematic method, and we will use second method. Please remember, before I delete the solution, to use the first method. The solution, if we use the first method, is 0 divided 0. And we will continue to use second method. Okay, limit of x squared minus 5x plus 6 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 8 as approaches 2 equals, this is the first thing we should do is factoring this function. First function and the second function. Okay, the factor of the first function is limit x minus 3 multiply the quantity of x minus 2 divided by the factor of the second function is x plus 4 multiply the quantity of x minus 2 as approaches 2 equals to x minus 2 can in the numerator cancel with x minus 2 in the denominator. So we can cancel. Now we get limit x minus 3 divided by x plus 4 as approaches 2. So when we get the function like this, we can use direct substitution. We substitution 2 into this function, so we will get 2 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 4 equals to negative 1 divided by 6. Okay, so the value of limit of x squared minus 5x plus 6 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 8 as approaches 2 is negative 1 divided by 6. Okay, next, the third method. The third method is find the limit by rationalizing the numerator or multiplied by the conjugate. Functions that require this method have a square root in the numerator and a polynomial expression in the denominator. Directly to the example. For example, limit of square root x plus 1 minus 3 divided by x minus 8 as approaches 8. So we will multiply by the conjugate. We rewrite the function, the equation, sorry. We rewrite the equation. Limit square root x plus 1 minus 3 divided by x minus h we can multiply by the conjugate. So we'll conclude multiply square root x plus 1 plus 3 divided by square root x plus 1 plus 3 as approaches h. Okay, we use equals to. We should multiply this function. Remember about exponent materials. In the exponent, we have a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b multiply the quantity of a minus b. This here, this is a, b, also a, and also b. Okay. So from this for theorems, we can get a quick trick. Square root x plus 1 minus 3 multiplied the quantity of square root x plus 1 plus 3 is x. Square root x plus 1 square. Okay, I will write x plus 1 x plus 1 square x plus 1 square negative b square. B is 3, so b square is 3 square. So we will get x plus 1 b minus 9. So the numerator we get x plus 1 x plus 1 minus 9. Okay, remember that the result of square root x plus 1 negative 3 multiplied the quantity of square root x plus 1 plus 3 is x plus 1 minus 9. Okay, x plus 1 minus 9 equals to limit x plus 1 x plus 1 minus 9 divided by x minus h multiply the quantity of square root x plus 1 plus 3 as approaches as approaches h equals to limit of x plus 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 equals to negative 5, so x minus h divided by x minus h multiply the quantity of square root x plus 1 plus 3 approaches as approaches h. For instance, x minus h cancel x minus h in the denominator. So we can cancel in the numerator now x minus h in the denominator. So we will conclude right here. So right here. Just a minute. Okay. So equals to limit 1 divided by square root x plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 as approaches h. Okay, after we get this function, we can use the first method, direct substitution. We can substitution h to this function. So we will get 1 divided by square root h plus 1 plus 3 equals to 1. H plus 1 equals to 9, so we will get square root 9 plus 3 equals to square root 9 equals to 3, so we will get 3 plus 3 equals to 1 divided 6. Okay, finish. So this is the solution of this question. Okay, I know this is the more complicated than the first method and also second method, but if you try, you can do it. Now I will give you homework to make you more understand about 3 methods to get value of limit function algebraically. I will finish this lesson because time is up. Thank you for today. I'm very happy to teach you because you are very excited, on time, and also disciplined to follow my class. I hope you keep it up. Okay. Nonetheless, I will say thank you for today. Have a nice day.
This is like a teacher in the future and explain a little bit materials in mathematics, especially in the method to get a value in limit function algebraically. Thank you and see you guys. Bye bye.